I am a 3D solid. I have 9 edges and 5 faces. What shape am I? Am I a triangular prism, a rectangular prism, a square pyramid, or a triangular pyramid? Okay, the way to do this is to imagine each of the 4 shapes and tick off whether or not it satisfies our 2 sort of characteristics here. It needs to have 9 edges and 5 faces. Now 5 faces is easier to sort of visualize than edges. So let's start by going through our 4 shapes and seeing which ones of them have 5 faces. Now triangular prism looks a bit like this. It's a triangle and continues as such. So if you remember what the net of this may look like, you'll remember that indeed a triangular prism does have 5 faces. What about a rectangular prism? A rectangular prism looks something like this. You have a rectangle on one face, and in the rest of the faces, it forms a prism. So this rectangular prism, however, actually has 6 faces, so it cannot be the one that we're looking for. A square pyramid? Well, that obviously is a pyramid with a square at the base, and, like all pyramids, some triangular faces. Now, it would have 4 triangular faces and the one square on the bottom, so indeed a square pyramid would satisfy that. What about a triangular pyramid? Triangular pyramid would have a triangle at the bottom, triangles up the sides, as you'd expect, and then 3 triangle faces, because it's a triangular pyramid. So those 3 faces plus the one at the bottom, that's our actual triangle, is only 4 faces. So a triangular pyramid doesn't satisfy that either. So right now, the only 2 shapes that are in the running are our triangular prism and our square pyramid. But we want one that has 9 edges now. Okay, so let's look at our square pyramid. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 edges that lead up to become the tip. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 edges across the bottom in the square. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So it has 8 edges. That's not 9, so it cannot be our square pyramid, unfortunately. Now let's test our triangular prism just to make sure. Well, you have the 1, 2, 3 edges that lead between the 2 triangular faces, and then the 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 edges on each triangular face. So you have 3 plus 3 for the 3 faces on the 2 triangular faces, and then 3 for the 3 edges that lead between them. That is equal to 9, so 5 faces and 9 edges is a triangular prism.